Copper, paging Dr. Copper, is up 3.8% for the week. Basically, I see that we still have, so we were moving up here, and now we're essentially kind of grinding sideways on copper, right? So I think we got a little more weakness for copper. It is up this week, but my bias is still sideways to down. I would really like to see it come down here to the 200-day moving average, just north of $5. And then I'd really love to see it come down to this trend line that we've had drawn for years. That would be around $4.60. Bias for next week is sideways to down. COPX, the copper miners ETF, is up 7.4% for the week. Same thing. I think getting a little stretched here, probably going to move up a tiny bit and then roll back over. Like limit orders $82, 71, and 62. And Deep says he's been buying cases of U.S. nickels from the bank. They keep giving me weird looks, but I know the melt value is 7 cents for one nickel and probably going much higher. My grandkids will be very happy. So I looked into this and apparently, okay, so nickels, U.S. nickels are 5 cents, are made up of 25% of the metal nickel and 75% copper. So if you actually melt them down, you have the metal value is higher than the 5 cents. That's the face value of it. So right now it's illegal to melt down nickels, but I think that'll probably change. This is essentially Gresham's law. So this is what happened back in 1964 when they stopped putting silver into the coinage is, vending machine guys and people that, thought of this started to hoard the silver, the 90% constitutional silver, and give away the new dimes and quarters, right? And I think we're starting to see that now that the metals prices have risen and the metal content in those nickels is worth more than what it says on the face value. People are naturally going to take these out of circulation and store them.